This remote drain kit with 5 feet of hose and 2 push-to-connect fittings was specially designed to be used when you need to drain the water trap in a location up to 5 feet away from where the filter was installed. Hose installation is done by pushing the tube into the hole until the mechanism locks. To remove the hose, simply press the release button, as no tools are necessary. The kit was specially designed for Vixen Air water traps but can be used on any filter that has a 1/8 of an inch NPT Male drainage port.